there is a latest report that the money that this parliament voted in the supplementary budget for the acquisition of fertilizers, subsidized fertilizer, that there's a possibility of embezzlement, there's a possibility of fraudulent activities having taken place in the process of acquisition or procurement of the same. There is even there are chances that probably there is money laundering, that there could be illicit money transfers. A lot of issues are coming out in the open. We are asking the Office of the Auditor General, Nancy Gadhungu, to ensure that proper audit is conducted, forensic audit is conducted, and report given to Public Accounts Committee within 30 days.